Welcome back guys, I'm a software developer and this is my first video on this channel. I think you want to know what the videos on my channel will be about, what you can teach us. Well, now I will briefly tell you about it. I'm a Java software developer and as you probably already guessed, the videos on this channel will be devoted to the study of one of the most popular programming languages, namely Java. Before starting the course, I think it's worth going deeper into the history and finding out how it all began and thanks to which the language has become one of the most popular in the world. Programming languages are the building blocks for communicating instructions to machines. Without them, the technology-driven world we live in today wouldn't exist. Java was originally developed by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Naughton of Sun Microsystems, which is currently owned by Oracle. The history of Java is very interesting. Java was originally designed for interactive television, but at that time it was too advanced technology for the digital cable television industry. The project to create a programming language was launched in June 1981 by a team of 3 people called the Green Team. Initially, the programming language was called Awk, which is a symbol of strange and is selected as a national tree of many countries such as the United States of America, France, Germany, Romania, etc. During the official release of the new programming language in 1995, Awk was renamed Java, because Awk technology has already become a trademark. Why did they choose the Java name for the new language? The team wanted something that would reflect the essence of technology: revolutionary, dynamic, vibrant, cool, unique and simple in mastering, spell and fun to say. According to James Gosling, Java was one of the best options along with Silk, because Java was so unique and most team members preferred Java over other names. Also, the language was named after the island of Java in Indonesia, where the first coffee was produced. That is why the logo shows a cup of hot coffee. In 1995, Time magazine named Java one of the 10 best products of this year. The principles for creating Java programming were simple, reliable, portable, platform-independent, secure, high-performance, multi-threaded, architecture-independent, object-oriented, interpretable and dynamic. Let's look at the principles together and find out what the developers wanted to convey to us. Java is considered as one of simple language because it doesn't have complex features like operator overloading, multiple inheritance, pointers, and explicit memory allocation. Robust means reliable. Java programming language is developed in a way that puts a lot of emphasis on early checking for possible errors. That's why Java compiler is able to detect errors that aren't easy to detect in other programming languages. The main features of Java that makes it robust are garbage collection, exception handling and memory allocation. Java code that is written on one machine can run on another machine. The platform-independent bytecode can be carried to any platform for execution that makes Java code portable. The compiler converts the source code into bytecode. The Java virtual machine, which we learn about in the next video, executes the bytecode created by the compiler. This bytecode can work on any platform such as Windows, Linux, macOS, etc. This means that a program compiled on Windows can run on Linux and vice versa. Each operating system has its own JVM. However, the output that they give out after the bytecode is executed is the same for all operating systems. That's why we call Java a platform-independent language. Java is an object-oriented language. Object-oriented programming is a way of organizing programs as collections of objects, each of which represents an instance of a class. 4 main concepts of object-oriented programming are abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. However, everything is an object in Java. Currently, Java is used in internet programming, mobile devices, games, e-business solutions, etc. Thanks for watching this video. On this our first acquaintance with the Java programming language ends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is true, subscribe to the channel. See you soon.